Welcome to the Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video, I'm going to show you how to make little chocolate spheres without using a mold like I have here. So you're going to grab your stainless steel ladle. You're going to grab a paintbrush. And then we're going to just start creating the first layer of our shell. I'll get in here. And I just want to make sure that I come right up to the top, right up. And I think I'm just going to zoom in just to show you this a little bit better. So now that we've zoomed in, you can see the little soup ladle a little bit closer. So we are just applying our first layer of chocolate, and you just want to bring it right up to the edges, just like that. So now I'm going to take this and I'm just going to put it into the fridge for maybe 3 or 4 minutes just to chill that up, and then we're going to apply another layer of chocolate. So here we are again. My chocolate is all firmed up. I left that in there for about 4 minutes. Now I'm just going to grab my paintbrush again, and now we want to build on that first layer. I'm just making sure I get right up on the sides. You want to get it nice and thick right up at the top. Okay, I think that looks good for our second one. Okay, so now I'm going to pop this into the fridge, chill it down, and then I'll come back. So I'm back again. So that's our second coat, and I've decided I'm going to do a very quick third coat. Make sure you're getting right up to the top, and that's good. So now I'm going to pop this into the fridge now, and this time I'm going to leave this in there a good probably 10 minutes so that it just pops out really easily. So here we are again, 10 minutes in the fridge, and I can already feel that this is loose. Look at this. I can take it right out. But before I do, I'm just going to grab a knife, and I just want to even off all of the top. So just go around and just scrape, just to make it a little bit more even. And there we have the first little piece of our sphere. Look at that. At this point, I have created my second semi-sphere. I have a fry pan here. I have just put it on the heat just to make it a little bit hot. And then for the last part of our video, we want to just get both of these together. So quickly, right into the hot frying pan, pull it out. All we're doing is just melting our chocolate, and then you just want to get it together. Get it nicely even. And there we have it. So let me just zoom in and show you. Now that I've zoomed in, hopefully you can see our little chocolate sphere a lot better. So there we have it. So that's it for this really fast one, a really fun one today. I wanted to just show you how you can make chocolate spheres at home if you don't have a semi-sphere mold. So all you need is that stainless steel ladle. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. If you are on Facebook, check me out, facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.